Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Coral Terrace local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is defined as moving belongings across a distance of 100 miles or more. Local, statewide, and interstate relocation are all possible with our moving services. We have a solid working connection with the people in charge of all moving procedures, both federal and state. We're concerned about our customers' safety and the security of their goods, so we've put insurance coverage to cover hazards before, during, and after the move. We also have the most responsible professional movers and drivers who can safely transport your possessions to your new home. Because we provide cost-effective services, you won't have to worry about us defrauding you. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, and ours are no different, ranging between $30 to $40 hourly to suit our clients' budgets. If you use our local moving services, we'll make sure you get the most value for your money with the help of our certified, conscientious, background-checked moving team. We also have experience in congested cities and busy areas, so we can assist you in getting your possessions to your new home as swiftly and safely as possible. When it comes to relocating, our team of local movers will assist you in making the right decisions. Ask around if you have any questions. You'll find that we have the best reputation among our local customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Coral Terrace moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.